Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. Does cleaning your home feel like a never-ending battle? What if I told you there are tools that can cut your cleaning time in half and make it easier than ever? Today, I am sharing 5 amazing cleaning tools you didn't know you needed. So stay tuned.
If you're like most homeowners, cleaning is a chore you'd love to simplify. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, stubborn stains, or hard-to-reach places, these tools are going to make cleaning your home a breeze. Plus, stick around because I'll be sharing where you can find these game changers, and even some affordable options. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, the OXO Good Grips Microfiber Extendable Duster. If you're tired of climbing on chairs to clean ceiling fans or struggling to dust blinds, this tool is for you. Look at how the flexible design lets you get into corners and odd angles without breaking a sweat. Plus, the microfiber head traps dust instead of spreading it around. This tool is perfect for busy homeowners, especially if you have allergies or pets. No more sneezing fits from stirred-up dust. You can grab the OXO Good Grips duster on Amazon for around $18. It's washable and reusable, making it a great long-term investment. If you have pets, you know the struggle of keeping your furniture and clothes fur-free. The Chom Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a total game changer. This tool works like magic on all kinds of surfaces, fabric, carpets, and even car seats. And the best part? No batteries or sticky tape needed. It's super eco-friendly, reusable, and easy to clean. Plus, it's compact enough to keep in your bag or car for on-the-go touch-ups. You can find the Chom Chom Roller on Amazon for about $25. And trust me, it's worth every penny. Next up is a tool that will revolutionize the way you clean your floors, the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. It's chemical-free, safe for kids and pets, and works on multiple surfaces. See how the steam cuts through tough stains effortlessly? And no more worrying about harsh chemicals. It's just water. This tool is a must for families with kids who spend a lot of time on the floor. Plus, it's perfect for tackling sticky kitchen messes. The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop is available on Amazon for under $100 and has thousands of glowing reviews. Let's talk about one of the hardest cleaning jobs in the house, grout. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber makes it so much easier to keep your bathroom and kitchen tiles looking brand new. The stiff bristles are designed to get deep into the grout lines, and the battery-powered scrubbing action means no more sore hands from scrubbing. This tool is affordable and durable. It's definitely a worthwhile investment for keeping your home spotless. You can grab the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber on Amazon for around $20, and it works great for other small cleaning jobs too. Last but not least is a compact vacuum cleaner that's perfect for small homes or quick cleanups. The Shark Wand Vac handheld vacuum is lightweight, powerful, and super versatile. This vacuum is great for picking up crumbs on a countertop, dust in a corner, and even pet hair in a car. Its sleek design makes it easy to store, even in small spaces. This is especially useful for apartments or homes with limited storage space. You can find the Shark Wand Vac on Amazon for about $120, and it's an absolute powerhouse for its size. So, there you have it. 5 cleaning tools you didn't know you needed. From tackling pet hair to cleaning grout, these tools are designed to make your life easier. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned in this video, check out the affiliate links in the description. Clicking them helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to simplify your home life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.